I really like this color. Do you? It's a happy color. It's a happy color. Hi guys, how are you? No me da pena.
Welcome to my stream.
Welcome. Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm filming the 24 hours speaking English challenge. My English is kind of rusty right now. I haven't practiced it. Así se dice, Dani? I haven't been practicing my English for a long time. So I'm really sorry if I make a lot of mistakes, but I think this is a really fun challenge. Right now we're in Villa de Leyva, so I'm gonna make a house tour because the house we're staying at, it's really pretty, and I came here with my family and my friends, so this is gonna be a really fun day. We're in the Festival de las Cometas. This is the house. It's really pretty. Look who's here! Who's here? Yes, I'm really pretty, Bella. Bella, do you speak English? Yes. Sit, sit. Uy, no. No entiende. Sit. Siéntate. Sí, es un poquito criolla la perra. Okay, let's start the tour. This is the living room. Then this is the dining room. Is it dining room? Here is my little Sisi. She speaks English. Dani in English. No, salude. Dani, like her English is almost perfect. Dani, say hi. Hi, baby. Tienes que hablarles en inglés. Tu inglés es muy lindo. Dale, Dani. This is the kitchen. Ooh, look who's here.
Hello, good morning,
Chicas.
everyone. We're cooking this morning. We're gonna have some tamales.
Tamales.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Hot chocolate and bread. Ooh, a really Colombian breakfast. Look. Let's keep going. Then here's a bed. No one's using that one. And this is my parents' room. But there's the bathroom. And then here's another bathroom. Here's the other room, and that's my sister Lola. Lola, good morning. Good morning, sunshine. And then this is our room we're staying in. Hold on. This is a mess, so just ignore that. Hello, mother.
Ay, ¿qué es esa coquería? Hola, niñas, ¿cómo durmieron? ¡Qué calor!
Mommy, you can only speak English.
No, qué joda.
Good morning, Daddy.
Oh, hola, bebé.
Papi, only English.
Nothing.
Di, good morning.
Good morning, bebé. I love you.
Look at this breakfast. Good morning, Lola.
No.
Lola looks like Frida Kahlo and Helga Pataki. Saluda. Thank you, girls.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we just had breakfast and now we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna take a shower that I really need. And then we're gonna take pictures and you guys will see.
I got a hangover. Oh.
Hi, Anna.
Hello.
Tell us how was yesterday? Last night. How was it?
It was pretty good.
Uh-huh. I just took a shower and now these two are sleeping. No, mentiras. Andre no. Andre está despierta. Ella solo dice hangover. Levántala, sí, levántala. Eso, dile tía Ana, levántate. Muy bien, Bella, levántala más. No saques levántala. Nada que se levanta. Okay, so we had to get ready really fast. We were taking pictures and then my parents called us and we're on our way to Villa de Leyva. So we're gonna keep taking pictures over there. Here's Dani, I love you. Habla en inglés, Dani. Que hable, que hable. Ay, Dani habla todo bonito. And the girls are ready too. Ooh, looking pretty. Y Lolation, que tal no nos quiere saludar. Y vela, 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 Jolena. We're in yellow. I love it. I really like this color. Do you? It's a happy color. It's a happy color. Hi, I'm Daniela. I'm 15 years old. I go to... Bueno, no sé, algo, di algo. A ver, Dani. Que hable. Okay. Preséntate, di como, hi, my name is Daniela, y hola, ¿cómo estás? Dale.
No.
Bueno, la haremos hablar. En este video saldrá Daniela hablando. I'm always watching vlogs from other YouTubers around the world, so I feel like I'm one of them. Yeah, they usually show their outfits, so I'm gonna show you mine. I'm wearing this shirt. It's yellow, it's pretty. Jeans and tennis shoes. Okay, I have to work on that. I'm really happy right now. Okay, we're gonna take a picture, like a family picture. So I'll come back. We're going to grab lunch right now in a really popular restaurant. We're gonna eat pasta and no sé qué más iba a decir. No, vamos. These are the beautiful streets of Villa de Leyva, and as you can see, there's a lot of people because right now we're on the Festival de las Cometas.
Esta sale de la cocina bañada con crema de leche y se funde en el queso grana padano, que es familiar del parmellano rallano. Tiene 24 meses de maduración, es de origen italiano.
Yo le dije que la explicación in English, please, pero no se pudo. So I ordered pasta with bacon and I guess cheese. My daddy is eating steak. What are you eating, mommy? In English. Pasta con shrimp. Eso, hágale, Dani. Dani sí se está comiendo. Perdón. Dani is eating a hamburger that looks really, really good. Andre is on a diet. She's not eating. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Her plate is over there. We're gonna eat some froyo. I love it. I think that's, yeah, this is my favorite dessert. Yeah, this is my favorite dessert in the world. I love it. I think I like frozen yogurt better than ice cream, like regular ice cream. Okay, so a little update. We ate, then we came back home and we took a nap because we were all really tired and our stomachs hurt a little bit. So yes, I think we're going out tonight. I'm not sure about that because look at them. They're sleeping. But I think we are. It's our last night here. So we're gonna go and have fun. But yes. No sé qué más decir. No me fluye. But yes. But yes. Let's party hard. So we are going out. Lola! Woo! Come, Lola.
Let's go party.
Let's go party. No, ¿cómo es? Come on, Barbie, let's go party. No, it's yeah. Y luego sing, I can't. So dumb. Lola, speak in English, please.
I'm not gonna go party. I'm gonna go take care of y'all.
Yeah, right. Of y'all, nosotros vivíamos, I'm sorry. We used to live in the countryside. No, not countryside. Georgia. The southern,
Good old Georgia.
yeah, in Georgia. Like it's like the southern part. So everybody was like, hey y'all, how are y'all? Así era el acento. I need to practice my English because I'm losing it. Like the fluency. I still understand everything, like everything you say, no, they say, no sé. But it's not as fluent as it used to be.
Of course, because you're not thinking in English all the time.
Do you think in English?
Sometimes.
I'm sure your English is not as fluent as it used to be either. Neither. No sé cómo se diga.
No, because I mean, I keep in contact with people and talk in English all the time.
No, I don't do that. And I have the bad habit that I joke around with an accent.
Like Sofia Vergara.
Like Sofia Vergara, I'm always like with Danny joking around like, oh my god, no sé cómo, oh, you're pretty. Entonces como que obviamente uno se queda con el, oh my yes. Pero I think it's fun, it's funny, and yes. We're going out, so
No, we're not. We're gonna go get coffee.
No, we're not.
Yes,
we're gonna
we
go
are.
party. Lo que les iba a decir era, okay, so I'm not gonna take this camera because it's huge. So I'm gonna switch this video to my phone. That's gonna be bad quality. Well, not bad quality, but not as good as this one. So I'm sorry. I'm gonna hate having to edit this video and put the captions. No, the captions.
Oh, that's gonna suck.
Yeah, that's gonna suck a lot. But whatever.
How long
do
is it?
this. I think it's gonna be like maybe 10 minutes. Maybe more than 10
It's gonna
minutes.
take you days.
No, it's not.
Closed captioning. Yep.
No, it's not. YouTube does that for you. Like, it helps. I don't think it's gonna like catch my accent parts, but it helps you. It recognizes what you're saying and it types. Yeah, whatever, no, ya me cansé.
Y bueno, les cuento que estamos en la plaza, como pueden ver, ya no les estoy hablando inglés porque ya estoy cansada de hablarles inglés. Nada, ya me despido. Thank you so much. Bueno, les aclaro que estoy filmando un video que se llama 24 horas hablando en inglés, o sea, es un challenge.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe.
Pues antes, de verdad, qué pena.
Follow me on my social media. Bye.